What's going on, everybody? It's Kevin here. I just want to make another video for you guys, just a quick one here, describing my Grom for the end of the 2024 season. This is what it's looking like at the end. I haven't done much. I ceramic coated it twice. It's been in the garage for a few months, but I think next year I'm going to get it tuned and I'm going to get a air intake on it so we can ride it during the summer and stuff like that. Maybe put a little more pep in its step. It is super clean, super shiny from the ceramic coating that I put on it. I mean, everything is just, I sprayed some water on it before and it just right off the thing. So it totally worked out good. I took my time in the garage. I made like a little live video on it and stuff like that. I even did some of the exhaust down here. I did some of it even though it looks kind of funky now, but it looked good at one point. Got it all dirtied up now. Rode all the way up here to get some footage. I wanted this nice view in the background. I thought it looked sick. I just haven't been riding the Grom very much. It's been cold in Pittsburgh. I'm not bundling up to ride. Today it was like 64 degrees, so I was like, screw it. I'm gonna throw on the jacket here, the light jacket, go ride the bike. So I came over here to the high school. I made a little loop. Now I'm probably gonna get some more B-roll and some more pictures of it, but just want to give you guys an update on what I was thinking about doing with the bike. But I've been thinking about wrapping it, taking all the plastics off and then ordering some wrap maybe from Amazon or something like that. I'm not really sure how I would do inside, you know, all these grooves and everything like that, but I'd like to do this white all around here. Maybe take off the Honda logo. I don't know. Actually, I'd probably take off the Honda logo and maybe get new ones. So I'd take off the Honda logo, take off this sticker, take this whole panel off. I'd like to do this white, and I'd like to do this purple or pink, like an old school Yamaha bike. I'd probably paint these purple. I would do all of these little washers purple. This would be purple. This would be white, and I think this would be white, and this would be purple. And like I said, I think I'd do these purple. Or I could just go and do them black. I'm not sure yet, but I think that would be so sick looking on this bike. And then I think just for doing the headlights and stuff like that, I'd probably just do this white and do this white. I think that, I don't know, maybe purple back here, if I could get this off. Purple back here and just white up here. I kind of think that would look sick. And then I don't know what I would do with the fender. I'd probably have to do that white. But that'd be a pain to wrap. So I'm not really sure what I want to do. I mean, like even in here, trying to wrap all this, I don't know about that. I think that'd be really hard. I mean, I'm sure I could just put it over this and like cut it in the middle and then just slide the wrap down like this in here. It'd be kind of crinkly, but I'm just like OCD and I don't want it to look cheesy, I guess. But I kind of think that would be a sick colorway on this bike, is the white with the purple, like an old Yamaha, like PW80. That was my first dirt bike and I just love the color situation on it. If I could do that and then get like purple Honda logos, I think that would be tough.